It's clear that Winix has put a lot of effort into designing its new air purifier releases. But how do they perform? In this video, I'll be testing the Winix 5510, highlighting its key features and sharing the results from our tests. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. The Winix 5510 doesn't require any special preparation before the first use. The only thing you need to do is prepare the filters and remove the protective wraps. Simply remove the front cover, take out the filter, unwrap it, and place it back inside the device. Then place your Winix in the desired location, plug it in, and turn it on. Frankly, the Winix 5510 is the smartest and the only air purifier with a Smart App feature that I've tested from this brand so far. It comes with plenty of advanced features, among which I especially like the air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, and the Smart App. The air quality sensor detects odors in real time and displays the air quality level using an LED light on the front of the device. Additionally, when in auto mode, the purifier automatically adjusts the fan speed based on the current air quality. There's also a light sensor that detects darkness in the room and switches the device to sleep mode if the room is too dark. The Winix 5510 is a well-built, modern-looking, high-quality air purifier. It has touch-based controls on the top, but for more detailed control, I recommend using the Smart App. The device features a luxurious charcoal gray finish. There's also the Winix 5520 model, which is identical in performance and features. The only difference is the design on the front panel. You can find more information about the Winix 5510 features at airpurifierfirst.com. The Winix 5510 has a CADR of 253 CFM, making it ideal for rooms up to 392 square feet, which is a slightly larger coverage area than that of the Winix 5500-2. In a room of the recommended size, the 5510 will clean the air 4.8 times per hour. It can also clean the air twice per hour in a 950 square foot room. However, I wouldn't recommend using it in spaces significantly larger than the recommended dimensions. The Winix Smart App is solid, but it's not as advanced as the smart apps offered by some other air purifier brands, such as Levoit, Blue Air, or Miele. That said, the Winix app works flawlessly. Connecting the device is straightforward and seamless. The app provides full remote control over the purifier, allows you to view more detailed air quality data, and lets you set timers. However, since the Winix 5510 doesn't track air quality when it's turned off, it lacks a more advanced scheduling feature. The air purifier has air inlets located at the front, positioned along the sides and beneath the front cover. After filtration, the purified air is released through the fan grills on the top. As for the filtration technology, Winix hasn't made any changes here aside from reducing the size of the filters compared to its predecessor, the Winix 5500-2. The Winix 5510 uses a 4-stage filtration system consisting of a pre-filter, activated carbon filter, true HEPA filter, and plasma wave technology. The washable pre-filter is the first stage. It's designed to capture large particles such as dust, hair, pet fur, and similar. The second stage is a pellet-based carbon filter that helps neutralize unpleasant odors. The third stage features a high-efficiency true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including airborne dust, pollen, mold spores, allergens, and more. All in all, I'd say the Winix 5510 uses a high-quality filtration system, which was clearly proven in our airborne particle removal and smoke tests. You can find more information about filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The Winix 5510 air purifier doesn't use washable filters except the pre-filter. This means you'll eventually need to replace the true HEPA and activated carbon filters. Fortunately, it includes a filter reset indicator that notifies you when it's time for a replacement. The filter replacement process is simple. First, open the front cover, remove the pre-filter, take out the old filters, and dispose of them. Then, vacuum the inside of the device to remove any remaining dust. After that, insert the new filters in the correct order. Finally, reset the filter indicator by holding the filter reset button. We tested the performance of the Winix 5510 in a 320 square foot room using a temp-top laser particle meter. In just 60 minutes, it crushed the PM 2.5 levels from 104.9 down to just 4.7 micrograms per cubic meter of air. That's a 96% improvement, on par with some of the best purifiers we've ever tested. For comparison, the Winix 5500-2 delivered identical results in this test, and the Levoit Vital 200S also improved air quality by 96%. Overall, the Winix 5510 is a highly efficient and well-performing air purifier that removes airborne particles with ease. In the following seconds, you'll find out how much time is needed for the Winix 5510 to remove all the smoke from the glass box. The Winix 5510 offers 5 fan speeds along with an additional auto mode, allowing users to easily adjust the purifier to their needs and find the ideal balance between noise and performance. We measured the noise levels at each speed. In sleep mode, it produces 40.2 dBA. At speed 1, 41.5 dBA. At speed 2, 43.2 dBA. At speed 3, 52.7 dBA. And at speed 4, it reaches 65.7 dBA. While it's a bit loud on max, it stays whisper quiet at the lower levels, making it perfect for bedrooms and quiet spaces. When it comes to operating costs, I can't say I'm completely satisfied. I expected Winix to optimize this model better. With a 65-watt motor, it's not significantly more efficient than its predecessor. If you were to run the Winix 5510 at maximum speed 24 hours a day for an entire month, it would add about $4.68 to your electricity bill. By comparison, under the same conditions, the Levoit Core 400S would cost around $3.07. It's also worth noting that in addition to electricity costs, you'll need to factor in the price of replacement filters, which in this case is the same as those for the 5500-2 model. However, unlike the 5500-2, the Winix 5510 still lacks many third-party filter options. In short, it's not the most efficient air purifier out there, but its maintenance costs are still within a reasonable price range. Overall, the Winix 5510 is a sleek, efficient, and feature-rich air purifier. I'm sure you won't regret choosing this model. At its price point, it's hard to find another air purifier that offers both a high-quality true HEPA filter and a pellet-based activated carbon filter. I'm currently preparing a detailed comparison between the Winix 5510 and the Winix 5500-2, where I'll thoroughly explain which one comes out on top. Until then, I can say that the Winix 5510 is an excellent air purifier. Not quite as impressive as I expected from a successor, but still a device worth mentioning and seriously considering. I'm looking forward to comparing it with other models in its class. You can find even more information about the Winix 5510 at airpurifierfirst.com. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, like it and let me know in the comments what air purifier you'd like me to review next.